in this video of Facebook ads course. So friends, today you are going to learn that how we can set up an event. Friends, before this we learned how to integrate the pixel with our website. Now that we have integrated the pixel. So after that, obviously, if any visitors who will come to our website, all those things like ads and all will be tracked. Alright? Any traffic that comes or anything else, we will be able to track it easily. But if we want a specific event, or even you could say that the desired goal that we want to track, right? If it happens on our website, it could be a lead form or someone making an inquiry, or a sale is happening, an add to cart, or something is being downloaded, or something is being viewed, or if someone is going to a particular blog. Okay, so there are many such things. So basically these all are called different events, and if we want to track any particular event, then we need to do an event setup. So now I will teach you how to set up an event step by step, which is a very important video. And with this, you can easily track the conversions and you can track your desired goals very effectively. So take a look here on the screen. Right now I am inside the events manager. This is where we had set up the pixel, and our pixel was set up properly. And even I have showed you here, so that is working, right? But here we can see MF pixel that I had created. I'll click on this. You can see here my tracking here is on, right? Because on the website it's showing the total event. I mean that we have currently set it for the page views, so it's showing here. But to set up a proper event, we need to go to settings. Okay, after going into settings, we'll scroll down and at the bottom we will find an option for event setup. Okay, and now here it's showing open event setup tool, right? Here I need to enter a URL. Now I have come to my website. So on my website, whenever a customer goes to the contact us page, whether they want a website, digital marketing services, or even coaching, they will fill out our inquiry form. Let me just fill some dummy data here. So we entered the dummy data. Now as soon as the person submits this, so we've set up a thank you page here. Means whenever an inquiry form or the contact us form is submitted, then you must definitely provide a thank you URL. Even when a person buys a product, a thank you page should appear after the purchase is done successfully. And then you should copy that URL. After copying it, because I want to track every time someone comes to my website and makes an inquiry by filling that form. And every time this thank you page gets triggered, this is the thank you page. I will put that URL here. I will click on add event. Okay. Now friends, as you can just see over here, it has opened my page using the URL. Now I will click on track URL. I'll set an event. I will consider this a lead whenever someone is on the thank you page. That is, I've set this as a lead, which means every time this particular event is triggered, I'll consider it as one lead. Here, URL equals to means it's showing up. So when this URL is triggered, I'll know and conversion will be counted. It says, do you want to assign a value to this conversion? So I'll choose do not include value because no product is being sold. So I'll just select this. Here I will confirm it. Okay. Setup complete. The lead event is live. Okay. So friends, as you can see, I have set all this here. Now look, the lead event has also appeared. So now I will finish the setup. And as you can see here, I have completed the whole process successfully. And for this lead event that I set up, the option to finish is now appearing here. Click finish. Was the event setup tool helpful? So I will select yes. And for now, I will just skip this and now I will just refresh this page once again. All right, friends. And we will also add the lead here and we will just check it once if it's working. All right. Okay. We'll come to contact us. And we'll fill the form. We can submit it. And now as you can see, the thank you form has appeared here. Now let's see if our event has been triggered or not. And event setup is done or not. We'll go in overview. So friends, as you can see here, that now in the event section, our second event that we have created, lead, is showing up and it is active. And since we filled that form 2 or 3 times, so here it is also showing 3 leads. You can see it here. Okay, and now here we can go into details to check. So friends, here the thing is that when you are doing it for the very first time, set things up or create an event, its data takes some time to appear, maybe half an hour, or sometimes a bit more in reflecting the data. But the process that I have taught you here in this video, so by using that same process, if you want to use a URL, you can set up a URL based event. And if you want to use a button, you can specifically target a button, and if someone clicks there, it will be considered as an event. Alright? It will be considered. You can create an event for that. So there are 2 options, by URL or button. So in this way you would have learned how to set up the event. But the more you practice these things, the smoother and easier it will become for you. Right? I hope you have understood it well. Let's move forward in this course. Thank you.